This property is all about indoor-outdoor living and the lifestyle that we've touched on. Trex is a fantastic product. It's perfect for an Airbnb or a holiday rental. I'm quite meticulous in the products that I use on our properties. So we've had this deck down approaching a year now, and the feedback's been immense on this space that's been provided. A perfect location to take into account the views and the lifestyle that Muddyford really has to offer. When you consider the harsh environment, the use of this deck, whether it be dripping wet from the water with the saltwater air, whatever it may be, it stands up. From a decking perspective, it's an important element of the roof terrace. It's highly trafficked with lots of friends, family, Airbnb guests, whatever it may be. So it needs to be high quality. It's clearly up there with some of the best. It was quite clear that it's the product that we were using here. Trex is a fantastic product. The low maintenance, the comfort, we're always so careful on the products that we choose to make sure that they last. It also needs to be low maintenance. It needs to be easily cleanable. We've chosen the best decking that is available on the market. Being an Airbnb, we need to be able to lock up, leave it, and know that when we come back to it, it's in the condition that we've left it in.